Is just one of the segments, but these are all high performance computing processors. So whether it's gaming, whether it's content creator, whether it's YouTuber, or whether it's any application that requires high performance computing, these processors, the new AMD Ryzen 9000 series of processors are suitable for all your computing. The PCs, starting from the basic PCs to your high performance PCs. Whether you are a content creator or a gamer or a normal desktop user, these performance based processors are meant for or suitable for all the segments. The share as per the latest IDC reports is quite high. We are almost close to like 50% market share, but I will let Srini comment on this. He's representing sales, so it will be better if he comments on that. So as Srini presented, so if you see the kind of TDP, the power consumption, the what you call your heat generation, okay, the temperature control, okay, in terms of the gigahertz, okay, so all those performance based features, efficiency based features, value based features, we are like exceeding from the previous generation of products that we had earlier. Very cost effective, very cost competitive in the market, and we do have the entire range from what you call a economy segment to a very high end processor. So depending on what product you need, actually the cost goes along that, but what I can assure you is that we are extremely cost competitive. That is difficult to say because India is a huge country. Okay, you have north, south, east, west. Okay, and then if you see within these four broader classification, you have got like big cities in all the four geographies of India. Whether you talk about Delhi, Bombay, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Calcutta, plus the bigger demand or bigger fraction that we today feel, or the potential in the future, is in the tier 2, tier 3 and tier 4 cities of India, and that's where the demand is coming up. So it's not only metro stories now, okay, the Bharat, the real India is also shining and it's coming up. So it's distributed pretty evenly and equally across the country, I would say. That's a separate line of business for us. Okay, that is the, in our language what we call them is a consumer PC business or the commercial PC business, where we talk about the laptops and the desktops from our OEM partners. But here today what we are discussing and what we are launching is the processor for the DIY segment, the assembled desktop segment is what we are discussing and briefing about today. Of course. So today we have just witnessed the launch of 9000 series of processors under the AMD Ryzen flagship brand. Going forward, come 2025, we have a huge range of products stacked up for launch, starting as early as Q4 of 2024 itself. We are very optimistic about the next year, 2025. The company is doing great. We are seeing great momentum in the market. The demand is there. People are recognizing the value of high performance computing, better processors who are able to give really high performance at a really value proposition. So we are very optimistic about the whole India market. India is shining. Yeah, if we talk about the component channel, so it's a whole distribution value chain, starting from the national distributors, the regional distributors, then retailers, then sub-retailers. So it's a complete distribution chain as the market is structured in India.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.